Welcome back to our channel. In today's short video, we will demonstrate how to calculate your bacterial BUSCO value using the Galaxy platform. BUSCO analysis is an important tool for evaluating genome assembly completeness and quality, helping researchers assess the reliability of the bacterial genome assemblies. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Before starting the analysis, you will need to create a free account on the Galaxy platform. This will allow you to access the Bioinformatics tools required for BUSCO analysis. Search for the BUSCO tool in Galaxy. Upload your genome of interest for analysis. Select your genome of interest, configure the required parameters, and run the BUSCO analysis. Once the analysis is completed, you can view the complete BUSCO results table and summary report. The BUSCO result shows a completeness score of 100.0%, indicating that your genome assembly is highly complete and of excellent quality. This means that nearly all expected conserved single-copy orthologs were successfully identified, suggesting that the genome assembly is highly reliable for downstream analyses. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.